Hey guys, today I'm gonna be recommending you guys this alternator and battery tester. It's from the Centech brand. You can purchase it at Harbor Freight. For those that don't know what that is, I will link the part in the video description. But anyways, this is very simple. All you do is plug this up to the battery, and it has a metal thing in the back so it can plug up to metal. So you're gonna plug up the red to your positive, and you're gonna plug up the black to the negative. All right, so once you plug up the terminals, see right there it says battery. The battery check is good. If it was bad, it would light up red. If it was low, it would do yellow, and then it would turn this blue light on to telling you to test it. All right guys, this is exactly what I was talking to you guys about. I left the interior lights on, and look at that. It's showing battery check low, and it's showing the blue light saying recharge it. So that's the battery part with the car off. Now let's test the alternator by turning the car on. That was kind of a slow start. My battery's probably in his last days or weeks. All right, I think now you unplug it and then you plug it back, and it's gonna test the alternator. And there it is. See it saying it's good. So I'm good to go, guys. My alternator's healthy, and my battery obviously is healthy because it lit up here with the car off on good. Like I said, this is a cheap $4 to $5 tool. You can also check your battery and your alternator by using a multimeter, and I will link that video in the description for you guys as well. So yeah, this is an easy way to do it that doesn't deal with numbers. It just straight up tells you if it's good or bad, or if this bottom light is for recharge or retest. All right, in case it senses your battery's low, it'll tell you to recharge it. All right, but that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe.